Alright, welcome to today's video. So today is an introductory video to Python. Today we'll be starting a series on Python. So today is our introduction to Python. Alright, now what's our objective for today's video? We are going to be looking at what Python is, what Python is used for. We'll be installing Anaconda, and then we'll be writing our first code in Python. Alright, let's get started. Now, first, introduction to Python and getting started. Now, what is Python? Python is a high-level interpreted programming language known for its simplicity and readability. It was created by Gadio Van Ronsen and first released in 1991. Now, Python is one of the popular programming languages out there. It was created as an interpreted programming language, and it's known for its simplicity and readability. Design philosophy emphasizes code readability and simplicity, making it an excellent choice for beginners and experienced programmers alike. Python supports multiple programming paradigms, including object-oriented and functional programming. Now, Python is known for being an excellent choice for beginner programmers. So it's a programming language that is kind of like you're writing in English. It's very easy for beginner programmers to pick up. And Python has supports a lot of programming paradigms, which includes procedural programming, object-oriented programming, and functional programming. These are all different programming paradigms out there. Now, what is Python used for? Python is a versatile language used in various domains, like in web development. Python is used with the frameworks like Django and Flask. Python is also used in data science and machine learning with libraries like Pandas, NumPy, scikit-learn, and the rest. Well, Python is also used in automation for creating scripts and automating repetitive tasks. Python is also used in game development with libraries like Pygame. Python is used in desktop applications with frameworks like Tkinter. Python is also used in network programming with libraries like Twisted. Alright, now let's go into installing Anaconda. So why are we using Anaconda? Anaconda is a popular distribution of Python that simplifies package management and deployment. It comes with many useful libraries and tools pre-installed. So why we are using Anaconda against the popular why we are using Anaconda is because it comes with tools like the Jupyter Notebook, which is going to be the IDE we are going to be using. It comes with pre-installed libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and the rest. So that's why we are using Anaconda instead of installing just an ordinary Python. So we are using Anaconda because of all the packages it comes with. So we are going to go ahead and install Anaconda. So to install Anaconda, go to your favorite browser, say Google Chrome. Click on Google Chrome. Then in the search bar, type Anaconda download. So the first link that appears, you click on it. Okay, so it takes you to this site where you can go ahead, just scroll down. You see all the libraries it comes with pre-installed. It says powered by the most recommended and most trusted open source packages. It comes with NumPy, Pandas, Jupyter Notebook, Matplotlib, Seaborn, Plotly, and the rest. It also comes with machine learning, AI and machine learning libraries like scikit-learn, TensorFlow, Canvas, PyTorch, and the rest. So let's just go down, okay? So you can see where it says free download. You click on it. So I guess you need to put in your email address here. And then click on the submit. So the moment you click on here, it starts your download. So I'm going to pause this or cancel this download because I've already downloaded it before. So I'll go ahead and cancel this. So I'll go straight to my folder where I have downloaded the file before and just double click on it. Once I double click on it, it starts to load the file. Alright, so we get to this welcome screen. I will just click on next, click on agree, click on next, next, click on install. Okay, so it's done installing. So all we need to do is to click on next. So once we click on next, to bring out this page and we just click on finish and we are done. So this is how Anaconda is being installed. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification button.